Hey guys, today I'm going to show you another way to add fringe to your wall hanging. I posted one way to add fringe a couple of weeks ago which created really fluffy fringe using vertical double half-hitch knots. Please see the description for a link. Today's video will show you how to add fringe using raya knots. Let's get started. You will need to create a row of knots for the fringe to sit on. Here I've created a row of horizontal double half-hitch knots. You could also tie a row of vertical double half-hitch knots or square knots. For a more in-depth tutorial on these knots, please see the description for a link. The length you cut your cord will depend on how long you want your fringe. I want to be able to see the layers of my fringe, so I've cut my cord for the first layer to be about 5 inches long and 3.5 inches long for the second layer. Bring your cord in front of 2 strands, bring both sides around the back of your work, and then through the middle of the 2 strands. I will add 3 more raya knots for the first layer. I'm going to create alternating layers of fringe, so I'm going to add my first raya knot to the second and third cords, skipping the first cord. I will add my second knot to the fourth and fifth cords. And my third knot to the sixth and seventh cords. Continue this pattern to create fringe of your desired length. Thanks so much for watching. I love to see your work, so please feel free to tag me on Instagram or Facebook if you've used one of my tutorials. If you like this video, please hit the thumbs up below, and if you have any feedback, please feel free to leave a comment. Don't forget to subscribe for weekly video tutorials.